Are you tempted to shop from Weave and Oak because of their eye-catching styles and unbelievably low prices? Hold on, this might not be the fashion deal you think it is. WeaveandOak.com presents itself as a trendy online boutique selling stylish dresses, tops, and accessories, but when you dig deeper, several red flags start to appear. First off, the website's domain was only registered in 2025, which makes it a very new and untested platform. There's absolutely no information about the brand's founders, team, or company background, something legitimate stores almost always provide. The product images featured on the site appear to be copied from other fashion websites, suggesting a lack of originality and raising the possibility of image theft. Even more concerning is the fact that there are no official social media profiles linked to the store, which is highly unusual in today's fashion e-commerce space where brand engagement online is everything. While their own website shows glowing customer reviews, a quick search on Trustpilot reveals a very different picture. Only 11 reviews, all of them negative. Real buyers complain about receiving poor quality items, incorrect sizes or colors, and virtually no customer support when trying to resolve their issues. While we can't say with absolute certainty that Weave and Oak is a scam, the overwhelming signs of unreliability, lack of transparency, and bad customer experiences make it a highly risky site to shop from. So before you get lured in by their discounts, take a moment to reconsider. It's your money and peace of mind on the line.